Okay, excellent. In our previous lesson, we estimated the average gross profit percentages for each model. Let's add each of these to the base case. Of course, I'll fix cell references to be able to paste to the right. Tesla Model 3's assumed gross profit percentage is 12%. Tesla's Model S and Model X are premium automobiles, and we can expect a 19% margin for them. We've assumed the same margin for Model Y as well, 19%. Very few units of Tesla Roadster 2 will be produced, but the ones that will be sold will have a nice gross profit margin, 39%. Similarly to Tesla Model 3, we forecasted a 12% GP margin for Tesla's pickup, which is a bit conservative, but this is what our multiples analysis indicated. And last, Tesla Semi is expected to be sold with a healthy 19% gross profit margin. Okay, we need to adjust our best and worst case scenarios, right? Let's add 1.5 percentage points to our best case scenario, and subtract 1.5 percentage points from our worst case scenario. We do that with respect to the base case scenario, of course. This will leave room for some optimism and pessimism in our model, depending on who uses it and how conservative their estimates about Tesla's ability to achieve the planned level of gross profit margin is. Excellent. Of course, the choose function will help us apply the selected case. Let's type +choose. Our index will be the selected case, and then the three possible values are the ones listed as best, base, and worst case. Awesome! I need to fix the cell references for our index value. F4 allows me to do that. Now I can easily copy and paste this function for the entire selected case area. The last step that will allow me to obtain gross profit figures for each model type is to multiply revenues and gross profit percentage of the selected case. This is a formula that is easily copied to the right and downwards, as we've used identical blocks for both GP percentage selected case and revenues.